Many people believe that living in a tiny apartment means having to choose between comfort and functionality. We often feel trapped between clutter and limited space. But the truth is, the size of a room doesn't determine the quality of our lives. Its layout does. Today, I'll show you around this 320 square foot space and show you how thoughtful design can transform a cramped space into a functional sanctuary that still feels spacious. Welcome back to Deco, Myla. For those of you new, I'm obsessed with how we interact with our living spaces. This apartment had its own unique challenges: asymmetrical walls and limited natural light. At first, the space felt incredibly cramped. However, by applying some classic design principles, I've managed to create a flow that makes sense for my daily life. Let's start with the most important foundation: your furniture. In a small space, every piece has to work twice as hard. My best investment was this sofa. Besides its perfect proportions, it hides a ton of storage space underneath. The perfect solution for storing extra linens without needing an additional closet. Also, pay attention to the legs on this piece of furniture. By choosing furniture with slender legs or legs that are raised off the floor, our eyes can see more floor space. Psychologically, this makes the room feel much more breathable and lighter. The biggest challenge in an open plan is making one large room multitask without looking cluttered. The secret isn't physical partitions but visual zoning. I use this textured rug to define the lounge area. As soon as you step on it, you mentally know you've moved from the work area to the rest area. Lighting also plays a big role. The warm table lamp in this corner creates a different atmosphere from the brighter kitchen area. If you're running out of floor space, look up. Walls are an often overlooked asset. I installed these floating shelves to display a collection of books and plants, which draw the eye up toward the ceiling, giving the room a higher appearance. And of course, don't forget the power of mirrors. I placed them directly opposite the windows to capture every drop of natural light and reflect it back throughout the room. This is the easiest way to create the illusion of a second window in your apartment. Designing a small home isn't about what we can fit into it, but rather about how we appreciate every inch of space we have. With a little creativity, even the most limited space can become a very luxurious and comfortable home. I'm curious, which part of your apartment is the most difficult to organize? Write in the comments section, let's discuss solutions. Thank you for watching Deco Myla. See you in the next design inspiration.